everyone. Today we're going to address an incredibly important topic: ensuring non-discriminatory language in job circulars. Imagine you're reading a job ad and that makes assumptions about your abilities based on your age, gender, or background. It's discriminating and unfair, right? Ensuring non-discriminatory language not only creates an inclusive hiring process, but also reflects the company's commitment to diversity and equality. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand the importance of using non-discriminatory language in job circulars, learn how to identify and avoid discriminatory language, gain strategies for writing inclusive and fair job descriptions. Using non-discriminatory language is essential for several reasons. Promotes inclusivity, encourages a diverse range of candidates to apply, ensures legal compliance, helps avoid legal issues related to discriminatory hiring practices. A job circular that uses inclusive language can attract a broader pool of qualified candidates and promote a positive company image. Use gender-neutral language to avoid implying a preference for a specific gender. Instead of "he will lead the team," use "the successful candidate will lead the team." Refrain from language that implies age preference or limitation. Instead of "young and energetic," use "motivated and dynamic." Ensure that the language does not imply discrimination based on physical or mental disabilities. Instead of "must be able to lift 50 pounds," use "the role requires tasks such as lifting up to 50 pounds." Ensure that the job description does not imply a preference for candidates from a specific ethnic or cultural background. Instead of "native English speaker," use "proficient in English." Do not include language that implies preference or discrimination based on marital or family status. Instead of "ideal for single applicants," focus on the job requirements. Emphasize the skills and qualifications required for the role rather than personal characteristics. We are looking for a qualified accountant with at least 5 years of experience in financial management. Incorporate phrases that highlight the company's commitment to diversity and inclusion. We welcome applicants from all backgrounds and experiences. Mention that accommodations are available for candidates with disabilities. We provide accommodations to ensure all candidates can participate in the application process. Regularly review job descriptions to ensure they are free from discriminatory language. Involve multi-stakeholders in the review process to catch any biases. For instance, have HR and diversity officers review job postings before they are published. Review a job circular and identify any potential discriminatory language. Rewrite the job circular to ensure it is inclusive and free of bias. Then, create a list of tips for ensuring non-discriminatory language in job postings and share it with the class. Ensuring non-discriminatory language in job circulars is vital for creating an inclusive and fair hiring process. You can attract a diverse pool of candidates and promote a positive company culture by following the simple steps discussed in the lecture. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to our next lecture. Have a great day.